Rahul Mohindar is now with us. He's from ViraTechIndia.com. Rahul, what have you made of the sharp fall that we've seen in the markets? And we're declining on our own. It's not that the global markets are under pressure today. So what is this inherent strength weakness that we are seeing?
I think we've really been in a correction mode for a couple of days now. And, I've been citing this in my previous, week or two of appearances, that even if we keep drawing a quick comparison to September's drop of 7.5% from its peak, that would mean if we just had to replicate that drop from the current peak that we saw in December, that would mean we should be lower than 17,500. So what we're seeing is a correction within a slightly longer term bull market. A retest of the 200-day average can't be ruled out. And I've, cited this point earlier too, which is nearer to 17,250. So I think ballpark is the trend will probably continue to be a little soft in the near term. One should be looking at trading the downside. And if you look at the immediate picture, a lot of traders have their hopes pegged, that the 26th of December low of around the 17,800 mark will hold. And, I think that's another fear that as we start breaking that level, we will see a little more pain come in. So in the near term, yes, I do expect a slide to about 17,680. That would be my first target, breaching which we'd probably go to about 450. So near term, that would be my target. What do you think will turn things around? We need to claw back above 17,950 on the Nifty spot if we want this market to really turn around. So within this entire setup, I think the weakest space looks banking. And, I'd like to probably put out a call or two on some stocks. So if you look at SBI at the current level too, I think we can clearly look at, good 3 to 4% downside coming on SBI. And my own sense is, the whole banking picture is what could upset the entire space. So a stock like HDFC Bank, the moment it starts breaching levels of 1580, I think we'd move to about 1540. So one could be trading short on that stock with a 1610 stop loss. And, if I look at other selective stocks which look weak to me, Reliance Industries, 2455 would be a first target. And breaking 2455, I'd say a test of 2420 is likely. Keep a stop loss of 2505 when going short. SBI Life is one of those stocks that looks strong. And in the individual set, I think we could particularly see much bigger strength as we move above 1315. I would recommend buying with a 1260 stop loss and targets of about 1340.
All right. Thanks a lot for that. Well, let's do one thing. Let's take a short break.